All right, here we go. This is glass. So I know it's green underneath. We've got a canvas that has been shrink wrapped. My glass is Glad press and sealed with tape for the bottom. Yeah, that's how it's about to go down. Let's hope it works, because it would be really cool to put lights to the back of it. I don't know. We'll just see. We shall see, dudes. This is going to be the untinted base because I want a transparent background. Okay? I'm going to try to channel my Karen from Waterfall Acrylics and give some negative space. We're going to do kind of like a half circle kind of thing. Like that. What is that? Oh, you've got to go. No. Always be on the lookout for stuff like that, you guys, because, yeah. All right, that was my little pillow, you see? We are going to keep it from going anywhere. We might actually really need to keep it from going anywhere. First color down is going to be my black right here. I've got a purple. Another black. Now glass is slick. I have to really pay attention here. I actually might want to do this. Hopefully. Orange. Just a little bit of, some kind of contrast. I know you see bubbles, don't worry. Teal, or, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, don't worry about that. Another little purple. I have some color shift, which I'm going to go buck wild. Gold. Interference. One more black. Now our cell activator, which I'm whipping the cell activator. We're going to float it on top. Kind of figured it would be pretty heavy. That's all right. Okay, let's get Lucy. I made sure Lucy had her Lucy thing on. Here we go. Nope. That's kind of pretty. What do you guys think? The recipe to the bloom technique, my personal recipe, is in my Art Addicts group on Facebook. You're welcome to join. It's under the announcements tab. And that'll break down everything for you, every component, colorants, pigments, micas, acrylics, high flows, you name it. So it's all in there. Maybe something like that. Just to clarify any confusion with me using the untinted base versus the white house paint, they're still paints, just one's tinted and one isn't. So using the untinted, you can still have a translucent kind of look. If I have to do the center again, I will. I'm not going to really sweat it. I'm not convinced that there's enough on here. Let's add just a little more. Whoops. This is where things are going to get complicated. Oh my. I'm going to stop. That is so elegant. That is just insane looking, you guys. Wow. That's like redemption from last night. I have to do something right here, though. It's driving me crazy. I know some people might say don't touch it, but let's grab a popsicle stick. Little untinted base right here. I hope I don't screw this up. I really don't want to screw this up. Black, purple, teal, orange, gold, interference gold, black, the cell activator. All right, hell to the yes. But I'm not standing here all night. I just needed to level out. Come on, baby. Oh! Nope, we're not leaving it like that either. Nope. Okay. But yeah, we are leaving it. That's just, it would be crazy to touch now. Right? Right. Let's get you guys in for that close-up. Because, oh my gosh. I gotta get this thing out over here, whatever that is, but we'll work with it. Here we go. Oh my gosh. That's what I wanted. I wanted that smoky haze look. Look at those cells. Oh, I went my earbud. Look at those cells, you guys. Oh my god. Ugh, you have got to go right there. I think the other one in the center was a good call. Here we go. Glass. You have no idea what's coming. Wait till you guys see it finished. I hope everybody's safe. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I will show you the dried piece in the next video or in my Facebook Art Addicts group. You're welcome to join to see the recipe that I'm using, as well as other tips and tricks. There's a bunch of videos right here that you can continue watching, and I also offer private lessons. You're welcome to comment or message me. Thanks for watching. Bye.